Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you SoftRig. Okay? Please subscribe to my channel and set a like and description below. And comment if you want to see any more videos. Like, you can just comment me to if you want to make me to make any videos for you. It's free. You can do it. Okay, now SoftRig. Let's play the vid first, so then you see the preview. Okay, let's start it. Rolling. Fell down. Okay, goes between. Oh, it just fell. Okay, this time we're gonna make a base. Alt D. Okay, split it up. Stretch it. Okay, like that. So then it never falls. And then we just duplicate it again and move it to the side. Okay, duplicated. Okay, now let's try that. Basically, wait, not yet. Now I need to push it that way. Okay, just like that. Okay. Control D. Okay. I'm just gonna push it to the side there, so there's space for it to go through. Okay, guys, do you think that this will work? Put a like, description down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Okay, start. Yay! Okay. SoftRig. Okay. Did it fall? Wait. Sorry. Okay, let's try that again. Start. Probably it fell. Okay. Did it fall? Oh, it fell. Okay. Let's make this a little bit more down. Okay. Stretch this backwards. Okay. Stretched it backwards. Okay. Let's start it. The embering player. Okay, and we need to put light there. Here. Okay, it's going down. Oh, it made it this time. Okay. So we're gonna build it way down. Yeah, way down. And I might also just put a platform like that platform. Okay, put that very far down. Still far. Okay. So why is it upside down for some reason? Why is it upside down? Weird. It goes upside down. Wait, what happens if I try rotating it? Nothing happens. Anyways, okay. So we build our way so down, down. And then, yeah. I might also just make 2. Or maybe I'll just make 2 right now. Okay, duplicate. But make sure, guys, if you want to do this, you have to switch it to Blender game. So then you can start the evolution. You can't just make it do what you want to do it, because it has to be like bend, and then it will just fall down. Because if it is in Blender game, everything just falls down if there's no platform. Okay. Now D. Okay. Push this one quite backwards, so then they go at the same start. Oh, that's weird. They just wait. Oh my god! Just look at that. And they just bounced at the end. Maybe we should put this one here. Okay, now let's start the Ember Ring. Oh, they're all falling. Sorry. Okay, now start. Okay. 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 Nice. Or should we let's create multiples of balls. So basically like an infinite terrain. Okay. Okay, now stop. What happened? What happened? All of a sudden it just closed down. I'd have to start all over again. I should have saved it. I think it was too much for it to handle. Only that part. I should have saved it. Anyways, we'd have to continue from this part. But thank you guys for watching my video. Oh, we might also just do loads of rigs right now. D. Okay, now let's see the evolution. Again! It just closed down. Maybe let's not put too much. Let's not put too much balls, because otherwise the game will just break. Okay, let's try that again. I'm gonna save it. Oh my god. Can you see it? But where? Wait, what? I only did 2. Okay, now I'm gonna save the file. Oh my god. Okay, that one's rolling down well. Oh, they both roll. All of a sudden, they just missed it. Okay, this time I'm adding loads of balls. And I'm gonna save it. Okay. And save. Okay, now play Ember Ring. Stop. Okay. How many balls are in there though? Seriously, just 3 balls? Okay, guys, we're gonna do it hyper. Okay? Hyper. Okay, we need so much circles that they can't resist it. Oh, full screen desktop. So much of them. Now I'm gonna save it. Yeah, full screen desktop. Start. Okay. Should open up. Okay, what will happen? What will happen? What will happen? But there's no camera. Oh, what have I done? I've really outdone myself. There's no camera. Okay, I'm gonna add a camera. Great. Where is it? Camera. There you are. What you're doing down there? Okay. What was that? I just moved it around and then it just did that blue thing. Anyways. Okay. R. Again. Weird. Just did it again. Okay. Did you see it? I just saw it. Oh, it just happened again. Anyways. Full screen. Stop. It looks like it wants to crash. It looks like it wants to crash. Is it gonna go down? Please tell me. Please tell me. Oh, it's a glitch. Wait, there's only... I don't understand. But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.